I'm Rose Tang. I'm a survivor of Tiananmen Massacre of 1989 and Hong Kong's Umbrella Revolution of 2014. Fighting for freedom and justice is my duty as a human being. Supporting Tibetans, Hong Kongers, Uyghurs, Mongols, Macanese, Taiwanese, anyone who's ruled or threatened by the Chinese Communist dictatorship is my duty as a human being. The world is at a tipping point. We're at very challenging and dangerous times. As the United States is threatening to become more like China, it's even more important for all of us to support the Black Lives Matter movement as we expect the world to support our causes. It's very vital for us to unite and stand together and bring our struggles together because we're against a common enemy, which is tyranny, dictatorship. We have to support each other and we have to make ourselves heard and seen. If we cannot breathe, we have to breathe in order to survive. We have to stand up and speak up. Here, I apologize for the genocides committed by the Chinese government on Tibet, East Turkestan, Southern Mongolia, Hong Kong, and China. It's time for us to fight together instead of being divided or divisive. Just remember, we're not born as activists. I was not born as an activist, but we cannot afford to be silent, not to fight. We cannot afford to give up. If we don't fight, humanity and planet Earth will be destroyed. We have to speak up and care for each other. And always remember, nothing is permanent, not even a pandemic, not even any dictatorships. The tyrants and the cronies are the minority. We're in the majority. This is their last hurrah and their last supper. We're on the right side of history. We will bring the tyrants and the cronies to justice. We will win. But if we don't speak up, if we don't fight, we cannot expect others to fight for us. We have to fight together. The victory is ours. Per Gallo. Thank you.